With every step, every move, and every beat, we honor the sacrifices of our martyrs and the unity of our great nation. So now I call upon the students of Mercy School to perform the dance.
सुफलां मलयज शीतलं सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। झर नदियाँ सर सर चलती पवन शुभ करे मौसम वन्दे मातरम्। जंगल जंगल डाली डाली चांदनी बरसे सपनों वाली तेरे चरणों का चुंबन ले हम शीतल जननी माँ भारती, तू नहीं साहस हारती, जग करता तेरी आरती, ऐसी तेरी भक्ति हो। तेरे रूप साक्षात है, तेरे करोड़ों साथ है, तेरे करोड़ों हाथ है, जिनमें तेरी शक्ति है। सारे ही सागरों के तत्व है तेरी प्रशंसा, तेरा हर हर क्षेत्र है प्रशंसा।
Performance added color to this event. Music has the power to evoke emotions, kindle passion, and bring people together. Let the lyrics inspire us, melody move us, and the harmony unite us. So join us to this musical tribute to our great nation. Now I call upon Manasvi and group to the stage.
सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान
has shaped our country's history. Through the universal language of dance, let us relive the moments that made our nation proud. So now I call upon Risha and group as they take us on a journey through the heart and soul of our country.
तिनका था हमने सवारा अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन गए विजय शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो
शुभ दिन आया शुभ दिन शुभ दिन आयो
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी कि तुम गुहार दो प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी कि तुम गुहार दो मान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी कि तुम गुहार दो मान शान या कि जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड
distinguished doctor and graciously accepted the invitation to celebrate our 78th Independence us. Please join us to extending a warm welcome to Dr. Sonia. Let us listen to her with open minds and hearts.
A warm good morning to all the favorite students of this institution. My pranams to the esteemed faculties of this institution, sisters who have dedicated themselves to grooming the students of every student of this institution, the teaching faculty and the non-teaching faculty. My pranams to each and every soul who is in this August gathering. I stand before you primarily as citizen of this country, a Rotarian myself, an obstetrician and gynecologist who's trying to do my bit of service to this nation. I'm extremely honored that I have been roped and also given an opportunity today to hoist the flag of freedom on 78th celebration of Independence Day in the city of Mysore. I am overwhelmed with the response from each and every student of this institution, right from the walk-in, from the gate, till I am in front of you in this stage and the podium. I should not be here to deliver my speech. I should have been called here for a note of thanks, because it is a thanks note for every individual who's contributed to celebrate the Independence Day as festival. I, with full gratitude, respect Sister Vinita, headmistress of the school, Sister Maria and Sister Fancy, who I have seen as very dear to the students. It's a great privilege and honor to stand before you today, and I understand that this esteemed institution has its own profound theme. The theme I read was love, light, and service. These three words is already showcased on the stage. Are you all recognizing the three theme words on the stage? All the three sisters who are sitting there. A big round of applause to sisters who are on the stage. These three words resonate deeply with the values I have witnessed in this institution over the past 20 years. My connection to the school began when I served as one of the doctors attending to the medical needs at the Mercy Convent for the hearing impaired. This institution has embodied the theme of love, light, and service for so many years. It has shown love to countless students and also students of hearing impaired who pass through the doors of the institution. This school has been a light to many students who are now a good citizen, well-groomed, and contributing positively to the society. Its commitment to the service has been great, providing hope and assistance to those navigating the challenges of this complex world. Today, as we gather to celebrate our nation's Independence Day, we are reminded that this day is more than just about not hoisting a flag or singing a national anthem or any other national song. It is to remind the responsibilities we bear as the citizens of this country, and the future of our nation demands that we all work towards the betterment and contribute to the progress in whatever way we can. I'm sure as the students of this esteemed institution, the possibilities before you are too many. I recognize there is a blue badge sitting at the other edge of this campus. Maybe many of them would actually want to be one or the other great personality. One group may be wanting to be a doctor, one group maybe want to be an engineer, one group maybe want to be a lawyer, a scientist, one group maybe want to be a homemaker, one group maybe want to be a teacher, and every personality who thinks what they want to be should be with the full interest of themselves so that they do their best in what possible ways they can. So I recognize the blue group, the yellow group, the green group, the red and the mixed group and the cultural group and all the group. I'm sure I won't miss your scouts and guides in the band group. There are students who are definitely doing their best today. I congratulate each and every one. I have been to this premises way back 13 years back. But then the growth curve which I'm seeing today is only because of the strength and the pillar and the support given by the teaching and the non-teaching faculties. And this is possible only because of the parents who have also been very supportive to the institution heads. I walked in through a different gate, but I am welcomed with a rangoli in front of the school. A rangoli itself is a welcome with a positive note. The welcome with a positive note, along with the national integration of all the students with different attires, was a very warm welcome which brought with a march past, a very disciplined march past. I myself was a school leader. I also been an alumni of Christ the King Convent, Mysuru. And my discipline today, the foundation is way back from my school days, which I felt I should get out of my guest appearance today and start march pasting with the little ones which are doing today. I congratulate the entire band team. After which I came onto the stage, a very disciplined, organized matter, where I think Hia and Jeevita did a wonderful welcome note. I think they'll become a great anchor tomorrow, and we'll all see them on stage or maybe on screen, maybe on Insta and Facebook one day, and then said, yeah, I knew both of them one day they were on stage. And I think this was only possible because of the training from the teachers. And then I was mentioned that sister, I didn't get your name, sister. Justice Joseph, hats off to you for your time you took for grooming. And I was just appreciating that I've been addressing a lot of schools and colleges, and I also deliver my talks as an obstetrician in many forums. And I always have to have a script written. You know, I always have a pen and paper in the script written. And the little ones who followed after Riya and Jeevita, there were another three of them, or the two of them. I want to mention their names. Please come ahead, all four of y'all, please come. Harshit and Shashank did a wonderful job. And I was stunned because all of them were without the script. And flawless. What more Independence Day we are looking at? Our children are being groomed so well. We are no less than anybody here. And every cultural program what I look through, I'm also a great admirer of music and dance. It goes without saying, but then every move, every children, I don't know the groups, but then what we all have witnessed, every group, maybe the costume, maybe the appearance, maybe I was observing their body language. I was observing how exactly they were presenting. It was amazing. The hearing impaired school children who also performed never give us a thought a minute that they were not able to hear, but they were just looking into the teachers who were standing in front and observing, and the most didn't miss at all. So we had all the freedom fighters who have looked back 70 years back. All the freedom fighters, we have seen them on stage, off stage today, during their march past and then during their cultural events on the stage. So overall it was a packed performance. A big round of applause to all the students by the teaching and the non-teaching faculties. A big round of applause because everybody has dressed probably started. Parents, I thank for your cooperation because every individual, when they actually dress up, the parents take the pain and enjoy the children's performance. Even we have gone through all that. So when they have that, I don't call it as a fancy dress, but I call it when they are in grooming in the dress, they imbibe the quality of that personality and that stays in their memory till the adulthood. When you see your grandfather or grandmother talking one day in school, I was also Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai, I was Subhash Chandra Bose, I was Mahatma Gandhi. The character is imprinted in them and that is the memory we take in as a student, as a school student, as a college student when you step up further in your professional life. So this foundation what we get is only in school. So today I recognize this particular institution as a power-packed institution with all the facilities for grooming a student, and this is what we need to contribute to this nation. And I feel my great pleasure that I've been roped in today and I'm blessed because this was a very busy day, because usually auspicious days we gynecologists, we obstetricians get very busier. Any auspicious days we have lot of patients who are wanting to have an elective delivery on this particular day. So every program, on every event, on every occasion, we tend to miss. But when I was given the opportunity by sister, I said, no, let me grab this opportunity to dance with the children, to also float with the teaching faculty, and also get blessed with the parents who are with us today. And being a doctor myself, I'll also not miss my patients. So started operating from midnight, 12 o'clock. They wanted baby to be born on the 15th of August at 12 o'clock. My day started from then. Now I have requested my hospital to give me a break from 8:30 to 12:30. My again delivering the babies will start after 12:30 today. It will go on till the day fades off. So it's a jam-packed day. We are bringing in babies, and there are a lot of my children also who I have conducted deliveries in this August gathering. Those who have got the invite, they called me and said that you're coming to our school. We are very happy for it. So I have not recognized that they're all grown up now. But thanks for all the phone calls I got after the invite was floated. And thanks for making it a grand success. This is only possible with the strength and pillar of the teaching and the non-teaching faculty of the institution. My immense thanks to Sir Danya Kumar.
Memorable one. Once again, we thank you.
And also I want to congratulate Sir Krishna. David Melbourne sir. Please. I think it is not an easy task. Madam Melbourne, it's not an easy task to groom them, to teach them. 100% it is the effort in the making. Congratulations, Sir Krishna and Madam Pushpa. Please come. Once again, a big round of applause to Pushpa and Sir Krishna. Congratulations, sir.
Amazing performance. Your energy and teamwork have inspired us all. Hats off you, dear guys. It was fantastic. It is my pleasure to introduce Nikita, Prajwal TD and Nihal Tejas, talented and dedicated students from class 10, 9 and 8 who will share their thoughts and insights with us today. Please join us in welcoming the students to the stage.
और मेरे प्यारे आज हम स्वतंत्र दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर एकत्र हुए हैं। सबसे पहले मैं आप सभी को इस महान दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं बतानी चाहती हूँ। 15 अगस्त 1946 की इस ऐतिहासिक दिन, जब हमारे देश ने अंग्रेजों की दस्ता से मुक्त होकर स्वतंत्रता प्राप्त की, हम सबके लिए गर्व का दिन है।
इस दिन की शुरुआत हमें उन महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को याद करने से होती है जिन्होंने अपना प्राण देश के लिए न्योछावर कर दिया। महात्मा गांधी जी, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, भगत सिंह, सुभाष चंद्र बोस और कई अन्य वीर स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने हमारे देश की आज़ादी के लिए लड़े और हमें आज़ादी दिलाई। उनका बलिदान हमें यह सिखाता है कि देश के लिए कुछ करना कितना महत्वपूर्ण है।
स्वतंत्रता पाने के बाद हमारे देश ने विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में प्रगति की है, जैसे कि खेल, क्रीड़ा, प्रौद्योगिकी, विज्ञान और बहुत कुछ। इन सारे क्षेत्रों में हमारे भारत ने प्रगति करके दूसरे देशों को अपनी क्षमता के बारे में पहचान कराया है। यह हमारा मेहनत और संकल्प है जिसने हमारे देश को सबसे तेजी से विकसित होने वाले देशों में से एक बनाया है।
लेकिन हमें यह नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि आज़ादी का अर्थ केवल स्वतंत्रता नहीं बल्कि जिम्मेदारी भी। हमें अपने देश के प्रति अपने कर्तव्यों को समझना चाहिए और उनको ईमानदारी से पालन करना चाहिए। स्वच्छता, समाज की सेवा और पर्यावरण की सुरक्षा ही हमारी प्राथमिकता होनी चाहिए।
आइए इस दिन पर हम यह संकल्प लें कि देश की प्रगति के लिए हमेशा प्रयासरत रहेंगे। हम अपने भारत देश को और भी सशक्त और विकसित बनाने के लिए कड़ी मेहनत करेंगे।
अंत में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मुझे गर्व है कि मैं भारत जैसे स्वतंत्र देश का एक नागरिक हूँ। जय हिंद।
Please welcome our principal sister Vinita, who will share her thoughts on Independence Day. Let us listen to her inspiring words.
Warm good morning to you all, my dear students. Wish you all happy Independence Day. Are you all tired? Yes, those who are sitting under the shade, you are not tired. But I can understand those who are sitting under the sun, you are tired. But the sun it is good for your health, I suppose. Doctor is here already. I hope that I am not wrong. So I am not going to take much of your time. I just want to highly appreciate all the teachers who have helped our students to create this Independence Day ever memorable. And I am sure that all this celebration, yes, it's a festival. This celebration is to instill patriotism and patriotic spirit in the life of all our students. And I want to remind you only one thing what I used to tell you every day in the assembly. This patriotism, the patriotic spirit that you gain today, it should help you to become little more louder. What is your aim? Yes, that should be the aim of all the students in St. Rosilla School. They aim to become a good, better human being. Yes, I am happy that you remember always. Same thing. All other things, if you are a good and better human being, rest will follow. You will be able to achieve all your aims. The first aim is to become a better human being. If you are a better human being, you will respect our nation. Today, in different speeches, everywhere it was told, when we celebrate our freedom, we recall. We go years back and we salute all our freedom fighters. Without them, we could not have enjoyed this freedom today. And we remember with much love all the freedom fighters and the leaders of our nation who are ruling our country, who are guiding, and we will pray for them. All four group captains, band group leader and the NCC leader.
I will word it out. You can actually repeat the word. Shall we start the vote taking? When I say I, you please mention your own names, irrespective whether it is a student or a teacher or a parent. Okay, we all join together for this vote taking. I swear that I will always uphold the values of my country respect and cherish the freedom that our forefathers fought for. I will strive to contribute positively to the development of India, respecting its diversity and promoting unity among all. I pledge to be a responsible citizen, to always stand for truth and justice, and to work towards the progress and prosperity of my beloved nation. Jai Hind! Jai Bharat! Jai Hind! Thank you.
Now it's my pleasure to welcome Master Ansh Emmanuel to propose vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of all those who had made this occasion so special.
Good morning to one and all present here. First of all, I would like to thank everyone that made this program a grand success. I would like to thank our chief guest, Dr. Sonia Mandrappa, who graced this occasion despite her busy schedule. Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your inspirational words with us. I would like to thank our principal, Sister Vinita, who always puts her best foot forward in organizing programs that help us learn and grow. Thank you, sister. This program helped us to cherish our nation's freedom and also to feel proud to be an Indian. I would also like to thank Sister Maria for her presence in this program. I would also like to thank Sister Francie for being with us. Sisters, thank you for your constant guidance and support. I would also like to thank the teachers for their relentless efforts in organizing these programs. Dear teachers, we couldn't have done it without you. Lastly, to the performers of today's program, you guys did an amazing job. I thank you for being supportive in this program. As we are celebrating our independence, let us remember the people who strive to bring our nation to a free state.
May our souls be forever grateful for the gift of freedom. Let us stand strong, unite